We will start from the beginning. Now only we are starting. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now we are starting. The smile was absent when you were talking. The smile was absent because
Okay, sir.
if you smile, you will get possibly 0.5 mark out of 10 more. So the smile will tell us that you are not you are not diffident. So there's a you must smile. Good. We'll start in a different way. Come on. Please tell us about yourself.
Sir, my name is Kalyani Vivek Kamble. I belong to Wardha city in Maharashtra, where I have completed my schooling and education till intermediate level. Then I have done BTech in Information Technology from VJTI Mumbai. I passed out from there in 2018. After that, I joined Infosys Limited and I worked with Infosys for around 2.8 years as a systems engineer. And currently, I'm working as a probationary officer in State Bank of India. Apart from this, my hobbies are playing football, cooking, and drawing.
Drawing also. Good. What is your father?
He's a retired government servant.
Instead, in an interview, here it is okay. This answer is sufficient for me. In an interview situation, you can be slightly more open and tell he retired as so and so. Retired instead of simply telling retired government servant, you are giving suspense whether it is state government or central government. Instead, you can tell the post. You don't have to tell me, but there you have to tell that. Understand? Then only the communication will be complete. Good. You seem to be a bright candidate. You got campus placement in Infosys?
Yes, sir.
Oh, great. How many of you got placement in Infosys at that time?
Sir, around 45 people were selected, but very few joined.
Because they would have got other opportunities or they were not
Yes.
happy about joining IT company. So why
Or maybe they were having
some other option? Why there is always no IT companies now? I think they don't pay to an extent that they were paying earlier in comparison. Yeah, 1 minute. Somebody is coming. I'll open the door. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Nowadays, probably they don't pay to an extent that they were paying earlier. Now, maybe that is also one reason why people are not happy about joining IT companies. Now, what is the reason that prompted you to switch over from Infosys to SBI besides the salary increase? Is there any increase in salary between Infosys and SBI?
Yes, sir.
There is a salary increase. So salary increase will be one of the important reasons that contribute, because after all, we are all working for getting money.
Yes.
Okay. So what for do we work? Tell me. Why are we working? Why do we work? Yeah.
So, sir, job security was a major reason because during Corona, many layoffs were happening in the IT sector. And also working in a government sector or in State Bank, it is a prestigious job. And also we get some respect from society and we get to serve society with along with a handsome pay.
Good. That's really nice. But do you enjoy your stay in State Bank of India nowadays? At what time your day starts? At what time your day ends?
Oh, my day starts at around 7:45.
7:45. Arey Baba.
Sir, I'm not an early riser.
You work from home?
No.
No.
Okay, for job, I'll go at 10.
I'm talking about SBI. Yeah.
Okay, I'll go at 10 a.m. and return at around 7 p.m. or before. 15 minutes before that.
Is it a very big branch? What is the total deposit of your branch?
Sir, it is a agri branch, but I'm not aware of the total deposit
Agri
because
branch,
mostly
do you take deposits also or not?
yeah, we take deposits.
That means you have savings bank account, current account and all that.
Yes, yes,
Then you don't know. Please get to know that the figure,
yes, sir.
if the moment you say you don't know, it shows you are not identifying yourself with the balance sheet of the SBI Varda. So that's okay. So
No,
you
sir,
know,
my branch is in Paratwada. It is in Amravati district in Maharashtra.
Amravati, some other branch.
Yes,
Okay, okay. And it is an ADB. You said ADB. What is ADB?
yes. Agriculture Development Branch.
Can you tell
It,
the role of ADB?
So basically for providing credit for agricultural activities, these branches are made. Basically here mostly Kisan credit cards and agriculture loan is a major part of the job.
How come?
And
How come they have posted a IT graduate or into that place? Is it not good that they would have brought some agricultural graduate into that place? Do you have agricultural graduates also in the branch?
sir, I means it is a small branch, so mostly now it has become scale 3, so people are getting orders for shifting only.
No, no, I am
And
asked my question.
I'm not aware about their education. Means my branch manager, she has done MSc in biotechnology. And
Who else? How many other officers are there?
there are one service manager, one and 2 deputy managers.
उनका पास में आप बात नहीं किए? Oh, what is his
Sir,
qualification?
education नहीं पूछा उनका.
ये तो
Because they are so busy in work that I
I
don't
know
get time.
it's not a gossip. It shows that there has been no blending in the organization. The people are not
No, sir, means
mixing in the sense to know about oneself to an extent of education, etc. Or like IT companies where people are very secretive. This A boy will not know what B girl is drawing salary. B girl will not know what D boy is getting salary, because there it has to be so, because salaries are different, terms and conditions are different. Whereas in State Bank of India, it is not so. Everything is open, transparent. You are designated as assistant manager, correct?
Sir,
you are designated as
probationary officer.
Probationary officer only. Acha, acha. After confirmation only, you will become a assistant manager.
Assistant manager.
Yeah. So probably because how many probationary officers are there in your branch? Only one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Maybe that is what has made you not to mix up freely with others, to know what is the educational qualifications and about them. So do you know out of 4 or 5 officers there, you know their behavioral patterns? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Whether they will help you, whether they will clarify your doubt, all that you know, whether they will come to your rescue when something is to be done. You know that. No? Similarly,
yes, sir.
If you come to know of their why I am asking this question is because yours is an ADB. Otherwise, I would not have asked this question.
Okay.
In my view, ADB is better managed by agricultural officer. Possibly your manager must be agricultural officer. Otherwise, they would not have.
Sir, one
Senior.
of the deputy managers, he must be from agriculture background because he is the field officer and he handles most of the work regarding.
So this itself is the answer. So there is a field officer, agricultural field officer. So you can say the answer is yes, there is an agricultural field officer and we have other officers also. Good. Of course, you are not responsible for your being posted to that branch. Good. Now, how do you blend yourself with the agricultural lending?
Sir, I'm not involved mostly in that because currently I'm posted for general banking training.
Oh, acha. Very good. You are only
But
into
but
general
I
banking. Yeah.
yes, sir.
In general banking
Yes.
training, what is it you are learning?
I'm learning the daily operations that goes on in banks. Like people come to check their bank balance, to get new passbooks, and do KYC, and I sometimes do check transfer also, RTGS and NEFT also.
RTGS and NEFT also.
Mm.
Good. So have you ever had any problem in observing KYC formalities?
Means sometimes it is mostly because of the earlier it was because of the system, means I was not knowing the technical difficulties that may be there. Means selecting the option which ID should I choose and all that.
So
Other than that,
you mean in the operation? You mean in the operation?
yes, yes.
Acha, now tell me, why banks take this KYC?
To means KYC stands for know your customer. So to know whether he is alive, and to measure the risk that the customer pose,
Mm.
and it is based on his credit, that the amount he has in his account, and according to that, after certain durations, his KYC is updated. His
Actually,
customers are
what you said is not wrong, but the best answer as a bank employee should have been, we take KYC norms in order to ensure the identity of the person
yes.
and also
Yes,
to avoid binary transactions
yes.
and avoid money laundering.
Wondering.
A terminology
Yes.
is on. I am really
Yes.
surprised why you have not used these terminologies. Even the basic PO interview guys and all will be using.
Yes. Sorry.
What is money laundering?
Money laundering is basically um, transferring. I'm sorry, sir.
Money laundering is making unaccounted money into accounted money, or black money into white money.
Into white money.
Yeah. So what is black money? A money for which the tax has not been paid.
Tax has not been paid.
Or a money that has been received through illegal means. Yes. That is not accounted for. A money that has come from abroad, hawala transactions, or a money that is received as corruption. These are all known as black money, and in order to convert that, these bank accounts are used. So in order to avoid that, also we go for KYC. You do it without your knowledge. Now tell me, what are the documents normally people give you?
For KYC?
Yeah.
They give Aadhaar card, PAN card, or voter ID sometimes. And means these are documents I have
come across.
Put one, yes.
Yeah, otherwise
driving ID will do, but now Aadhaar is the most
preferred one, because you can get all the confirmation from them after they're putting the thumb impression. Or do you take biosignature also?
No, sir.
No, not required.
Thumb impression or signature.
Oh, good. Excellent. So KYC norms over, account is opened, and in your branch, you told me you don't know about the deposits and all. Okay. How a bank makes profit? How a bank makes profit? Yeah.
By providing loans and advances. The interest we receive from that is given to is the profit for us.
The difference between the interest we pay to the depositors,
deposits, yeah,
and the interest that we receive here is the amount that helps us to run our establishment expenses and also to make profit. So what is State Bank of India's position? Do you know about its total deposits, advances, and the recent profits they have made? You don't know?
Sir, recent Q4 profit, I know. It
Oh.
is around
How much
220
crores?
crores,
Is it so?
220,000 crores.
220,000 crores. 1 minute. Let us see. Google.com. Because for you, definitely more banking related
Yeah,
questions
that question.
will come. State Bank of India profit. State Bank of India for March 21. State Bank of India profit and loss moneycontrol.com. Moneycontrol.com. Income, total interest earned, total expenditure. I want only profit, net profit for the year ending.
Year.
Yeah, net profit for the 12 months, year ending March, or probably some figure you told only it is given. That is year 20,410.47. It is rupees in what? Rupees in rupees in what? 20,410.47. Is it lakhs or yeah, the total profit loss available for appropriation. Acha, I suggest you go through moneycontrol.com.
Okay, sir.
Financials, in order to know readily what is it, because I am not able to make out what is the this thing. What is the equity dividend that was paid recently, you know? Equity
To
dividend.
employees.
Not employees.
To employees.
Dividend is always
Okay,
paid to the shareholders.
Shareholders.
Yeah. It is given as 400%.
Okay, sir.
The last 2 years and all, they have not paid 3 years. And now this year they have paid this much. And I am giving this moneycontrol.com. I'm giving you in the chat itself so that you can see that.
Okay, sir.
Not that, yeah. Yeah, we will get to that. So this is something about banks. So you try to improve your full awareness about banks. Yeah. Yeah, I think if I ask about KCC and all, you may be able to come out easily. No, because you are not working there. Correct?
Yes, sir.
The questions
Actually, I did not prepare well for regarding bank.
The questions can be KCC is what? Why KCC is given? On what basis KCC limits are fixed? What are the problems you people experience in KCC? What for those KCC funds can be utilized? Something like that. So be ready for that question. Next time when we meet, probably we can have a discussion on that. Now let me come to ECGC. You want to come to ECGC?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because
Why?
currently I'm working with SBI.
Yeah.
And no doubt this is a great institution to work with. But I find my career prospects to be better with ECGC. And when I read about ECGC, I got interested in the export sector, how it works. And I want to learn more about the international trade. So I will get the opportunity to learn about that. So that's why I want to join ECGC.
Good. You said you wanted to know more about international trade. You can always learn if you take a diploma for international trade. Did you do that?
No, sir.
No.
But
did you appear for JIIB? No.
No, sir. I missed the date because I joined on 31st and last date was prior to that.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Absolutely no issue. How many months are you serving in SBI?
Currently, it's now been 5 months.
Only 5 months. You're a baby. That is why you are not able to tell many things. Correct. Good. 5 months only. Doesn't matter. So you were interested in international trade. So you wanted to come to join our ECGC and all that. Now, what have you come to know about exports? What is meant by export and why a country must make export?
Okay. So exports are basically transport of goods and services to another countries. So that is exports. And we will get foreign exchange for the exports we do, which can be helped to pay for the imports we make. That is why foreign exchange is important.
Very good. Can you tell me, India is exporting more what? India is importing more of what?
Okay, so basically, our major exports are petroleum, refined petroleum, mineral fuels, other mineral fuels, then pharmaceuticals, then rice, spices, then
You said import is refined petroleum.
no, export.
Export, yeah, correct.
Yeah, then rice, spices, then some plastic or something was written on your website. Means plastic products. Then for imports, we import mostly crude oil. Then what imports precious gems and stones, which we import also, and some we export also. Then
gems also we import in a crude form, probably refine and then send it.
Raw form, and refined we. Okay.
Yeah, good.
Then for import, sir, think raw metals.
No, they are not called raw metals. They are called as minerals.
Ores.
Minerals or ores. Yeah, good. Good, very good. That's right. What are the organizations involved in exports in India?
So along with the ECGC, there is a Director General of Foreign Trade, DGFT, which issues the export license to exporters and importers. Then there is Federation of Indian Export Organization, FIU, which is the apex organization for all the export promotion councils in India. Then I'm aware of these only, sir.
There are other organizations like FEDI, Foreign Exchange Dealers Association of India, FEDI. And there are export promotion organizations for various commodities like cashew board, then coffee board, tea board, likewise so many. In Wikipedia, if you go, you will get it. There are 32.
Yes, sir, that
yeah, big list is there. There are so many export promotion boards for their particular commodities promotion, like spices export promotion board. So many are there. So you can get to know about them. Just names only. You don't have to go into the detail. Leather exports is very important thing for us.
Okay. Sir, actually, FEI is apex body for these promotion councils. That's why I did not tell that.
What is that? F?
Federation of Indian Export Organization is the apex body for these promotion councils.
Acha, Federation of Indian Export Organization. Acha, this is covering all that you say.
Yes, sir.
FIEO. Perhaps I have not seen this. I must have seen this. Correct. Federation of India. I must have seen this. Federation of Indian Export Organizations. Yeah. Acha. They membership. Apply for RMC membership renewal. How to become a member of FIEO? How to member of FIEO's membership rules are governed by Government of India Foreign Trade Policy and FIEO's Memorandum and Articles of Association. As per Foreign Trade Policy, an exporter is required to get a registration cum membership certificate for availing various benefits under the policy. For registration purposes, FIEO has recognized the government as recognized by the government as Export Promotion Council. Applying for RCMC. This is about how to get applying for RCMC, service exporters, advantages of membership, then what is the fees of membership. I think this is an organization which enrolls exporters, not those export organizations. Could you follow?
Okay, sir.
That's
Yes,
how
sir.
because they are asking 6,000 to 57,000 and all. If it is from a group as a whole, it will not be this. However, those boards may be members of this also, possibly. They will be having some representation or discussion with them. So we must know about those organizations also. We can tell about
sir.
that, but of course, what you said
Hmm.
is more than sufficient. Export organizations, good, very good. The answer is okay for this. Supposing you are on the other side of the table and you want to select the best candidate, what one question would you ask the candidate?
Sir, I'll ask the candidate what special means what extra can he do for ECGC, and if I'm satisfied with that candidate's answer, then I will select him.
Good, that's correct. Good, 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 good. Now, what are the 3 positive takeaways from our COVID pandemic?
Okay, so it has helped us realize the importance of time and health, because the situation
I
means,
I think Maharashtra is one state which was also very much affected.
yes, sir.
And you are staying in, your native is Wardha. Now you are not in Wardha. You are in some other place.
Yes, sir.
How far
Amravati
is,
district.
how far is it from your Wardha?
It is around 156 kilometers.
Okay. No, you don't have to exactly tell 150.
160.
156.5 kilometers जरूरत नहीं, खाली 150 बोलने से हो जाएगा. अच्छा, इसमें क्या, so you are in that place. How was corona affecting in your place where you are residing or where you are staying?
So in Varda, mostly in all of the districts, Varda was
Achha, you are,
in below
you
in the
are,
last numbers only while corona struck.
not much.
Yes.
Achha. And for how many days you are? Achha, you after you are joining, the branch has been working all days, or it was closed for a few days? No.
When the second wave came, at that time there were some restrictions, like half of the staff will only work. Like that.
Achha, that was in the month of
now after joining.
May, June, and all.
As soon as I joined, the second wave
came. Yeah. So there are restrictions for working on 50% of the days and all that.
Yes.
Prior to joining, you had induction training also?
No, sir. We have been directly sent to branch posting because of corona only. We have not had any training.
Actually, otherwise you would have had an excellent training.
Yes.
You would have had an excellent training in your organization running for 2 to 3 weeks where they would have trained you fully. Now you are to learn everything from others. It's okay.
Yes, sir.
That's right. Good. Now tell me, which sectors are badly affected by pandemic?
Mostly tourism sector. Now it is getting on the line. Then I think manufacturing, like production was down for various things, like automobile industry was in the decline. Then I'm aware of this too, mostly.
I think it has affected education trade also.
Yes, education and trade.
Education trade also affected, and also what are the other areas affected? See, the people only benefited out of COVID is that these food shops, provision shops, then medical shops, hospitals, then ambulance drivers, and the burial ground people. They are the people benefited by this. Very sad. Very sad. That's whereas all other sectors like say transport, then your manufacturing, Almost all these have been affected very much. I don't have figures. That's okay. Good. Can you tell me what do you understand by deemed export?
Mm. Sorry, sir. I have read about this question. You have suggested on your channel, but
You are not able
I'm
to
not.
follow.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm not well acquainted with this.
Yeah.
I'll read on this. Sir.
Yeah. Deemed export. Uh, see, whenever an exporter supplies goods to a party in India only, and that particular commodity goes towards fulfilling the needs of an import from abroad. Okay, that is considered as deemed export. Deemed export for the purpose of this refer to those transactions in which goods supplied do not leave the country and payment for such supplies is received either in Indian rupees or free foreign supply of goods as specified shall be regarded as deemed exports. Deemed exports would include only the supplies notified under Section 147 of CGST or SGST Act on the recommendation of GST Council. The benefits of GST and conditions applicable for such benefits would be as specified by the GST Council. Category of supply: supply by manufacturer, supply of goods to EOU, STP, BTP, etc., supply by main contractor, and all that. United Nations or international organization approved by Government of India. List of, I suggest you go through this. I may not be able to complete
Okay,
it
sir.
fully. Here they are
Yes,
telling supply of goods to nuclear power projects. The project should have the capacity of 440 megawatts, like that. What are the benefits of deemed exports? Deemed exports drawback is there, duty drawback. They will get back some money from the governments. Advance authorization for annual requirement of DFIA. Iska pad lijiye. I am giving you this
okay,
link.
sir.
If you come across some other link, please go through that also.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And the next question is this. Tell me about ECGC.
So ECGC, formerly known as Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India Limited, was set up with the intention to promote exports in the country by providing credit risk insurance to exporters and other trade related services. And it is also the 7th largest credit risk insurer in the country, in the world, with respect to national exports. Also, it helps exporters gain better financial services from banks and other financial institutions by providing bank guarantees.
By providing guarantees to banks.
Guarantees to banks.
Super. You can also tell about the extra points like line of credit, and
Credit.
they also do other services like factoring and all that.
Factoring. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Sir.
You can. I think you have told this nicely. Good. This answer I am very much happy. Particularly ECGC, you have told very well. Yeah. You are in Maharashtra, Wardha, you have told about that also. Now, just before ending morning session, you please tell me what is happening in Afghanistan. What is the latest news?
Actually, with the US withdrawing its troops from Afghanistan, Taliban has taken control of whole Afghanistan, and it attacked the parliament in Kabul, and it it is imposing Sharia law there, which is basically takes away the human rights of people and also mostly on women. It hampers their rights to education, rights to wear their choice of clothing, and right to free movement in the country.
Mm.
And for India, it has impacted with trade. And India had friendly relations with Afghanistan prior to this, but Taliban has stopped all the export and import with India.
Now they want to have it through Pakistan. Now
Okay.
the latest position is they want to have it through Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Yeah, and our dry fruit trade has been affected too very much.
Yes.
That is the problem. That's right. Good. Yeah, you told nicely, correctly only, no problem. Who are the important people in Taliban now? You may not know. You may not know.
Yes, sir, but I'm not able to recall the name, but I have heard that they have a spokesperson who has been talking with the media.
Yeah, thoda usko bhi padhna hai. You must remember the names of those people.
Yes.
Good. Otherwise, what is meant by Taliban? They have asked such silly questions in the interview. In Bengaluru,
Taliban,
they asked, yeah.
Okay.
Now they may
Taliban
not ask.
is a
Yeah.
Taliban is a rebel organization which was formed in, I think, in Pakistan. Means I'm not sure, but it was formed in Pakistan, and they rebel against the government in Afghanistan, and they wanted the country to be ruled or taken control of the country and do the administration according to their laws, the Sharia law.
Sharia law, correct.
Yes.
Now I have given you a link now.
As soon as we leave our compound, it's clear who is now in charge. Taliban fighters have flooded the capital. Smiling and victorious, they took the city of 6 million people in a matter of hours, barely firing a shot.
This is a site I honestly thought I would.
Acha, you can watch this afterwards and get to know more about this also. Okay, that's what it is.
Yes, sir.
Maybe next time when we meet, we will discuss more in detail. You have done your job well, but obviously because as
so regarding banks, I was worried about that only, that I'll not be able to answer correctly.
Yeah, you don't know many things, but as a probationary officer, whatever I'm expecting to know, you please at least go through our Adda's banking awareness material or grade up material. You have something with you?
Sir, I will follow Adda only. I've lost touch within these 5 months. That's why I was not able to recall the points.
Thoda pad lijiye. You have to read. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You please read, then you can come out effectively. It's not a problem. Otherwise, about ECGC, you have been able to tell correctly. Unfortunately, I came into ECGC towards the end only. That was the problem. Doesn't matter. Next time when I start, I will go straight into ECGC and about other questions that have been asked so far. I am right now confining myself to asking questions that have been asked for only, barring general questions about yourself, about your family and all certain things. Okay. So best wishes. You have done well only. You have done nicely. But for SBI candidate, we expect him to be much more aggressive. Like you must act like Taliban. That much active you should be. अच्छा थोड़ा ये जो लिंक हमने दिया है सबको देख लीजिए और ज्यादा लिंक्स मिलेगा भी देख लीजिए. चाहिए तो 1-2 दिन छुट्टी लेके आप प्रिपेयर कर. I know it is not possible. I know it's not possible.
Yeah,
but
in probation,
you can't take leave. You can't take leave during probation. You are eligible for 1 month leave, one day leave per month.
Yes, sir. We have been. I have 12 casual leaves for now, and I have taken 2 for the interviews because it is on a Tuesday. So I'll have to take Monday also.
Fine. So Monday you can read more.
Yes, sir.
Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
You prepare something more. Today is Friday. And after preparing, if you really want to talk to me, you can come again on probably Sunday.
Okay, sir.
Sunday, that too, by Sunday evening, I have one candidate, 2:45. 12:30 time is free. If you want, I can note your name there. So that 12:30, if you can come, that will be good. Or Sunday, I can take even in the evening because I don't take tuition for my grandchildren in the night. So that time
Okay.
also I'm free. If you want, I can talk to you after my regular class at 5:30, probably 6:30, especially for you, 6:30 p.m. Will
Okay,
it
sir.
be,
That
will it,
will do.
will it
It
be
is
okay?
fine.
Will it be okay?
Yes, sir.
Why I am giving 6:30? You tell me.
So that I can prepare in
Exactly.
the morning
Exactly. Not morning. Throughout morning and day.
throughout the
Full
day.
day.
Yeah.
Full day you have. You can prepare. I have blocked 6:30 for you. So prepare
Okay,
yourself
sir.
well, and all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Last time you made payment through Google Pay or Phone Pay.
Google Pay, sir.
No problem. This time also you can adopt the same thing and pay. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, one more 100 for one session. You can do that. Best wishes. And no compulsion. If you don't feel like coming, you
No,
need
sir.
not.
I want to take. I want to improve my performance in the interview.
You can do it. You can do it. But the only thing is, I will guide you overall. Sometimes I may give you more than what you need. That is only problem. But
It is good only.
today that
It
boy,
is for my betterment.
today that boy has gone. Ketan, who took interview from me for 5 days.
5.
So, whereas your first day starting is good, we will try to do best. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
This will be posted in our YouTube. Is it okay for you?
Okay, sir.
Good.